replaying the classic adventure game Journeyman Project and ran into JMM data files. These contain game assets and content from the iconic 1990s time travel adventure. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these Journeyman Project game data files. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful JMM file inspection tool. A JMM file is a data file associated with the Journeyman Project, a series of point-and-click adventure games from the 1990s. Users encounter these files within the game's installation directory, where they store essential game assets, like animations, graphics, and level data required for gameplay. The JMM format is a proprietary binary container designed by Presto Studios to efficiently package and stream multimedia assets for the game. This binary structure was optimized for the hardware limitations of the era, allowing for the compression and sequential loading of video and graphics from slow media like CD-ROMs. Guaranteed access to JMM files is typically achieved using the Journeyman Project from Presto Studios. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows offers minimal detail, so exploring these files requires knowledge of the game's engine. Open the context menu by right-clicking your JMM file and choosing Open With. Try the Journeyman Project first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If the JMM file won't open, don't panic. We're facing a complicated JMM error. Let's move to the testing phase and check these critical common failure points to find the fault. First, running through the game. Install the Journeyman Project from original CD-ROM or digital archive sources. The game engine reads JMM files automatically during normal gameplay. Ensure all JMM files remain in their original installation directories for proper engine loading and uninterrupted access to game content. Next, using ScummVM emulation. ScummVM is a game engine reimplementation that supports many classic adventure games. Check ScummVM compatibility list for current Journeyman Project support. If supported, ScummVM enables the games to run on modern systems including macOS, Windows, and Linux without legacy compatibility issues. Finally, inspecting with hex editors for research or preservation purposes. Open JMM files in HXD or another hex editor to inspect raw byte content. While not practical for editing, this approach helps identify embedded resources like QuickTime headers or text strings within the binary data for archival documentation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.